Okay, hi grade 11s. It is March 25th, which means the March break is officially over. We are into our first week of school, a Corona class. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. We haven't been given any real direction from the board yet, but I know a couple of teachers are trying to get some lessons going just to keep people busy, keep people on track. So I'm going to try and come up with some things for you to do. Um, I don't know exactly what this is going to include. So right now, I'm sort of looking at going to the skipping our code unit because we just sort of finished up Flash animation. We were supposed to start into code when we got back. What I think I might do is click over to game design and get started on this unit. It's going to be a little bit of change for me. So this is probably going to be kind of instructional as kind of where we're going to go, but I'm going to try and create some new lessons. So this will be something like what we do, but I'm going to try and spread this out and come up with some new activities to add into this. So that said, who knows? We'll see how things go. Anyways, hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. And check back to Google Classroom. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have something for you to get started on. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.